Hello everyone, I'm Ritika Huri and welcome to yet another video empowered by managementbliss.com. We will be discussing about what is velocity in Agile. Let us have a look into the agenda items. We will be starting with an introduction to velocity, followed by value of velocity in Agile, Agile velocity calculation, and Agile velocity chart. So what is velocity? Velocity is the measure of work done by a team in a time-boxed interval. In other words, we can say velocity is the amount of work done or estimated count of the PBIs completed in a sprint. This work can be measured in hours, story points, user stories, etc. Sprint teams do not include the sprint items that were worked on but somehow could not be completed or delivered. Only those stories will be eligible for velocity calculation which were actually delivered. Velocity is a measurement of output and not the outcome of an iteration. It is important to note that there is no means by which we can compare the velocities across teams. Velocity depends on the team size, duration of the sprint, product the team is working on, the organization's environment, knowledge of team members, specialization of team members, and many more. It is counterproductive to compare velocities among the teams. With that, let us move on to the value of velocity in Agile. Velocity is an integral part of the Agile world and plays a vital role in planning and continuous improvement. While doing sprint planning, the team is aware of the velocity that they can deliver in a sprint. Hence, while planning for the next sprint, the team understands how much work they can pull. Mature teams never pull stories with story points significantly higher than what they have been delivering in the past. Release planning. Velocity plays a crucial role in release planning for agile-based projects. The team divides the size of the release by average velocity of team and calculates how many iterations the team will require to complete the release work. Next is continuous improvement. Velocity also helps in indicating the teams how they have been performing. Measuring velocity over time allows the teams to visualize how they are doing in terms of performance. Velocity is also considered a signal if the team needs any internal or external help concerning skills or any other aspects. Velocity also helps the team to develop an optimal, sustainable pace for development. Let us now see how to calculate the velocity. Velocity is calculated by averaging out the work done in different iterations. Few points to note before calculating velocity are: if the team is new and has less understanding of the product to be delivered, the team should take some time to stabilize and build data before coming up with their velocity. If the team is immature, consider the story points delivered at least 3 to 4 iterations to develop a team's velocity. If the team is mature, even 2 iterations are enough to calculate their velocity. Let us look into an example of velocity calculation. We will be calculating a velocity for team A who does estimations in story points. The table shows the stories delivered in each sprint. The velocity is calculated by averaging out the work done in different iterations. Hence, we can say that velocity of team A is 41. We will now move on to Agile Velocity Chart. Velocity chart is an effective way to measure team's progress and get a glance of how team is performing. Velocity chart visualizes commitment versus delivery. Velocity chart helps the team to view if they have been doing the estimations and assumptions correctly over time. Though the team should gradually improve their velocity, it is unrealistic to expect a rise in velocity by every iteration. Let us now have a look into the committed versus delivered story points of Team Y over 5 sprints and velocity chart generated using this table. Y-axis in the velocity chart shows the story points and x-axis shows the number of sprints. From this chart, we can view if the velocity has been increasing, decreasing, or is constant over the sprints. One can also make out the difference of committed versus delivered over time. To conclude, I will say that velocity is straightforward but potent means for measuring a team's rate and helping them become consistently efficient. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please press like, subscribe the channel and visit www.managementbliss.com for interesting agile articles.